One is English willow that grows in England, and second is Kashmir willow that grows here. This is a Kashmiri willow tree, right? First, what we are doing, we are taking a log of wood near about 30 inches long. The first shape is given just like this. These are called cliffs. We are keeping these very cliffs for 6
Clips.
and we are keeping these very cliffs in open air for 6 months in order to drop its internal moisture for seasoning purposes. We are keeping these very cliffs in open air in sunlight, and after that what we are doing, we are trimming the willow as per ICC dimensions. We are giving a proper dimensions to the bats, right? And after that we are grading the willow. We are grading the willow on the basis of, you just see, these are called, these lines, these are technically called grains, right? More the number of grains, best the quality. So we go for professional bats. Less the number of grains, either no grains, then we go for tennis cricket bats. The internal wood of the tree is used for the professional cricket bat making. And after that what we are doing, we are fixing the handle. Why we are fixing separately handle? Because once bowler bowls, he bowls at the rate of 130 kph, 140 kph, right? Once ball strikes on the surface, internal jerk gets produced and internally passes up to the handle. Handle is having a property, there is insertion of rubber strips in the handle. Rubber is having a property of absorption. Once ball strikes, the internal jerk that gets produced gets absorbed due to the insertion of rubber here. That is why we are not feeling any kind of shock here once the ball strikes on the surface, right? And after that what we are doing, we are giving a shape of just like this and keeping the middle portion somewhat thicker and this surface somewhat flat and downing this one and keeping this middle portion. This is called a sweet spot of the bat. The batter always thinks that the ball should touch the central portion because this is a strong portion of the bat. And after that we are finishing it, labeling it and sending across to India as well as exporting it to different countries as well. Why Kashmir willow is most suitable as compared to other trees? Because this willow is having a best property of taking compression, because once ball strikes, there will be some sort of dent but does not show any kind of crack once strike. If we can make the character of the willow. Today the factory is closed due to the Eid celebrations, so we can't make you to show all the things, right? So these are the clips. Because once ball strikes, it will jump up. We are rolling this willow. This is first this much thicker. Once we are rolling this, it will get compressed to this way. This front surface gets harder. So once ball strikes, it will jump.
Do you do anything special on the seed spot?
What we are doing, we are keeping first. We are keeping
different types of bats, you know?
Yeah. What we are doing, we are first keeping this very cliff in water.
Okay.
It
Absorbs the water.
some sort of absorption, and after that we are doing pressing
Okay.
and then oiling all the things which are necessary for the bat, so that it is front portion gets strong.
We used to keep it in linseed oil.
Linseed oil.
So it absorbs the linseed oil.
Ah.
So the seed spot becomes more powerful.
Right. And we are having two types of
Long handle and short handle.
sure. This is ordinary handle. This is ordinary handle used for tennis cricket bats. The best handle in the world that we are exporting from Singapore area of Malaysia. This is called the Singapore cane handle. The best handle in the cricket
So it
industry.
absorbs the shock.
Yeah. This is called a cane handle. Its growth occurs in Singapore and we are exporting it from Singapore.
You are using the whites also. Sorry. See the color difference. See the color difference. Does it
This
make
is the
any difference?
this is character of the willow. Kashmir willow character is there should be some sort of redness.
Okay.